Namaste children. Welcome to online class for class 4. Today we are going to say a poem from Unit 1. Children, do you remember our first lesson? What I have taught 2 days before? Do you remember the lesson title? Yes, the lesson title is The Trick Robot. That lesson based on the robot. Okay, Vicky's father bought a robot. At last Vicky decided to sell a robot. Okay. Here also in this poem also we are going to see about a robot. Already we have discussed what is robot. This poem is in your book page number 85 children. If you have book, please take your book with you. Yes. Shall we read the poem children? Okay. My robot. I have a robot big and strong. Big and strong. Big and strong. Watch now how it walks along with a nice rhyming song. This is the first paragraph of the poem. I have a robot big and strong. What is a big? Very big. Big means large. Strong. Strong means very what? Strong person. We will say no. It's a strong person. Big and strong. Okay. So I have a robot. A big and strong, big and strong, big and strong. Okay, big robot as well as strong robot. Okay. Watch now how it walks along with a nice rhyming song. Okay. Watch now how it walks along. Okay, how it is walking with a nice rhyming song. The robot is walking with a nice rhyming song. Okay, with a song with a rhyme. Okay, the robot walks with a person and singing a song. A song is with rhyme. Okay, next paragraph. I have a robot smart and tall. Smart and tall. Smart and tall. Watch now how it welcomes all with a nice greeting call. So I have a robot, smart and tall, very smart, intelligent, tall, a big one. Okay, not a big height. Okay, smart and tall, smart and tall, smart and tall. See children, in first paragraph also, author said big and strong 3 times. In second paragraph also, smart and tall 3 times. Watch now how it welcomes all with a nice greeting call. Welcomes. Okay. Welcomes means what? In your home, we welcome those who will come. We will welcome all the relatives. Okay. If my uncle comes, we will welcome. Okay. With a greeting call. வீட்டுக்கு யாராவது இருந்தாலும் வந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? வரவேற்போம் இல்லையா? வாங்க, உட்காருங்க, சாப்பிடுங்க, தண்ணி குடிங்க, காஃபி குடிங்க. Likewise, welcomes all. The robot welcomes all with a nice greeting call. Okay, here nice greeting call refers to the nice words. Okay, nice words. It has wheels go front and back. It has wheels go front and back, front and back, front and back. Okay, front and back. It has wheels. Okay, this robot can't what? Walk. It has wheels to go front and back. It will move front and back. Okay, this robot will move front and back. Watch now how it keeps the sack in every little rack. Watch now how it keeps the sack with every little rack. Okay, sack means we know what is meant by sack. It's a large bag. Okay, a bag, square shape or rectangle shape. Saaku moota we solla sack. In every little rack, rack means shelf here. Okay. It will arrange all the thing in the shelf. Fourth paragraph. Never it takes food and rest. Never it takes food and rest. Food and rest, food and rest, and food and rest. Watch now how it works its best with all same zest. So, already we have seen. Will robot eat? No. Will robot take rest? No. It needs some, we want to charge its battery. Okay. So, never it takes food and rest. Food and rest, food and rest. Watch now how it works best. Okay, best means it's in a better way, in the good way. Okay, in good way. With all same zest. Zest means with great interest. What is the zest, children? With a great interest. So, this robot, a boy has a robot. That robot works its best. That means it gives good performance. Okay, it works a lot. It works in what? Superb way. It's all same zest. In all time, it has same enthusiasm. It has same interest. Okay. Morning, sometimes morning we will be brisk. Then evening we will somewhat dull. But a robot, it won't do like that. All the day, it is in same condition. Okay. Boy has a robot like that. See the robot picture, children? Okay, did you see the robot picture? Yes. Okay, so once again, in first paragraph, 3 lines are there. Last word, see, this is the last word. First line, last word. Strong, long, song. Okay, see, strong, long, song. These are all rhyming words. What is my rhyming words, children? Okay, we want to pronounce the word as same. ஒரே மாதிரி உச்சரிப்புல இருக்கணும். Spelling may differ. Okay, tall, ball, likewise. Here in second paragraph, last word, first line last word, tall, all, call. Okay, these are the rhyming words. Tall, all, call. These three rhyming words. Okay. And third paragraph, first line last word, back. Sorry children. Back, sack, rack. Did you see? Back, sack, rack. Okay, we pronounce the letters. Okay, pronounce the words. We finish the words with same sound, with same pronunciation. That is rhyming word. Okay. In fourth paragraph. In fourth paragraph, can you say, children? Please say the rhyming words. In first line, second line, third line. This is rhyming words at last word. For rhyming words, we want to see at last in a sentence, we want to see the last word. வார்த்தை ஒரு வாக்கியத்தில் ஒரு லைன்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய கடைசி வார்த்தையை பார்க்கணும். அதுக்கு அடுத்தடுத்து வரக்கூடிய லைன்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய கடைசி வார்த்தைகளை பார்க்கணும். இதுல 3 லைன் இருக்கு நமக்கு. கரெக்டா? இந்த 3 லைன்ல இருக்க கடைசி வார்த்தைகள்லாம் பாருங்க. ரெஸ்ட். ஓகே, ரெஸ்ட். நெக்ஸ்ட் பெஸ்ட் and zest. Rest, best, zest. Okay, it's ending with same pronunciation, no? Same spelling also, not letter also. St. Huh? So this is the rhyming words. Okay, see? What did we see in this poem, children? In this poem, we have seen a boy is saying about his robot. A boy described his robot. How the robot is. Okay, he has a robot. The robot is big and strong. It will sing a rhyming song. The robot is small, smart and tall. It welcomes all the people with a nice greeting call. The robot has wheels. It helps it to move front and back. And it arranges all the things in the little rack. This robot won't take food and rest. It will continue its all work, okay, with its best. Okay. Next, children. Here grocery they had given. Okay, this is a meaning of the hard word. Strong. Strong means powerful. Watch, look at or observe attentively. Smart, fashionable. Rack, self or stand. Just, great interest. Okay, now can you match the rhyming words? Yes. What is a tall? Tall means rhyming words. Match. Tall means all. Okay. Next, song. Song, along. Rack. Rack, for this rhyming word, sack. Rest, for this rhyming word, best. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks. First question, children. I have a robot, big and, can you find the answer? Yeah, see, big and, see the first line, big and strong, big and strong. Okay, so answer is, I have a robot, big and strong. I have a robot, dash and tall. In second paragraph, first line, smart and tall. It keeps a sack in every little rack. Third paragraph, last line, answer is there. It never takes dash and tag. It never takes food and rest. Okay. Those who have said all the answers correctly, I clap you, children. Then answer the question. What does it sing? What does it sing? It sings a rhyming song. What does the robot sing? It sings a rhyming song. How do the wheels go? The wheels goes front and back. Does it work its best? Yes, the robot works its best. How does it welcome all? It welcomes all with a nice greeting call. Okay. Did you understand, children? So today in our class, we have seen a poem, My Robot. இந்த போயத்துல இந்த பையன் அவன் வச்சிருக்க ரோபோட்டை பத்தி பேசுறான். அந்த ரோபோட் ரொம்ப பெருசு, ரொம்ப வலிமையானது. அது ரைமிங் வேர்டோட பாடும், ரைமிங்கோட பாடும். அவன் வச்சிருக்க ரோபோட் ரொம்ப ஸ்மார்ட், அறிவாளி, ரொம்ப டால், ஹைட் ஆனது. அது வரவங்க எல்லாத்தையும் நல்லா வெல்கம் பண்ணும். அந்த பையன் வச்சிருக்க ரோபோட்டுக்கு வீல்ஸ் இருக்கு. அது ஃப்ரண்ட் அண்ட் பேக், முன்னாடியும் பின்னாடியும் போகும். ஓகே, எல்லாத்தையும் கரெக்டா அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணும், வைக்க வேண்டிய இடத்துல வைக்கும். நெவர் டேக்ஸ் ஃபுட் அண்ட் ரெஸ்ட். அது என்ன, அது ரெஸ்ட் எடுத்துக்காது, சாப்பிடாது. அதோட வேலையை அது கரெக்டா செய்யும். ஓகே, do you understand? Yes. Next, back side of this poem, page number 87, they are giving some vocabulary. In that, they had given for you noun. What is noun, children? A noun is a, what is noun? A noun is a name of a person, place, things and animal. Okay, noun என்னது? பெயர் சொல் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம் noun தமிழ்ல. ஒரு மனிதனுடைய பெயரையோ, மனிதனோட பெயரையோ, thing ஒரு பொருளோட பெயரையோ, அனிமலோட பெயரையோ, name of a person, place, thing and animal, ஒரு பெயர், பெயருடைய பெயரையோ சொல்லும் போது அது noun. Okay. For example, Vehanandar. It's a noun. It's the name of a person. Okay. Sri Permuttur. It's a noun. It's the name of the place. Camel. It's a noun. It's the name of a animal. Okay. Person, place, thing. Okay, book. It's a name of a, it's a noun. It's a name of a ஒரு thing. அதாவது ஒரு பெயருடைய பெயர், ஒரு பொருளுடைய பெயர். ஓகே, அது என்ன அப்படின்னு சொல்றதோ அதோட ஒரு மனிதருடைய பெயர், ஒரு இடத்தினுடைய பெயர், ஒரு அனிமலுடைய பெயர், இதெல்லாம் சொல்றது வந்து noun. Here they are giving common noun and proper noun. Here see, here the naming word girl can be used for any girl. Okay, any girl. ஒரு so it is a common noun, girl. It's not a particular girl. So அப்ப அது காமன் ஆகும். பர்டிகுலரா சொல்லாம ஒரு குழுவினோட பெயரை சொல்லும் போது அது காமன் ஆகுது. ஸ்டூடெண்ட் அப்ப அது காமன். பர்டிகுலர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் வரும்போது அது ப்ராப்பர் ஆகுது. ஓகே, காமனா யாரெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம், எதுக்கெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம்? பாய், பென், சிட்டி, ஃப்ரூட். எந்த ஃப்ரூட்? பர்டிகுலர் ஃப்ரூட் இல்லையா? புக், கிங், அனிமல், பேர்ட், கேம். These are all common. Here the naming word Netra is used for a particular girl. So you see, Netra. The particular girl oda name, ஒரு பெண், ஒரு girl oda name particularly சொல்றோம் நேத்ரா அப்படின்னு சொல்லி. அப்ப அது வந்து என்ன ஆகுது? ப்ராப்பர்னா பர்டிகுலர். ஓகே, ஒருத்தரை பத்தி ஒருத்தருடைய செப்பரேட் தனி பெயரை குடிக்கும் போது அது ப்ராப்பர் நவுனா ஆகுது. ஓகே, so what is common noun? ஒரு குழுவினுடைய பெயர் மொத்தமா, ஸ்டூடெண்ட், டீச்சர். ஓகே, மொத்தமா சொல்லும் போது அது காமன் நவுன். ஒரு பர்டிகுலரா அவங்கள ஒருத்தரை மட்டும் குறிப்பிட்டு சொல்லும் போது அது வந்து என்னது? ப்ராப்பர் நவுனா மாறுது. Okay, here are some naming words that denote the person and thing in particular. Shiva, Madurai, Chennai, Mala, Tamil, Pari, English. So particularly we are saying. So this is a what noun? Proper noun. Okay, circle the pictures that denotes person or thing in common. Can you see? Common எதெல்லாம் சொல்லலாம்? Common noun அப்படின்னு சொல்லி. Yes, girl சொல்லலாம். Okay, girl is a common noun. Particular girl கிடையாது. Okay, book, common. Okay, but English book is proper. Tree, okay, common. Mango tree is a particular one. Boy. So these are all what? Common noun. Remaining are proper noun. Proper என்ன சொல்லணும்? ப்ராப்பரா ஒரே ஒண்ணுத பத்தி பர்டிகுலரா சொல்லணும். அப்பதான் அது ப்ராப்பர் noun. ஒரு குழு மொத்தமா புக்ஸ், பாய், கேர்ள், ட்ரீ, டீச்சர், ஓகே, அந்த மாதிரி சொல்லும் போது அது என்ன ஆகுது? காமன் நவுனா மாறுது. Circle the picture that denotes a person or things in particular. இங்க பர்டிகுலர் சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Yes, ராஜு, கரெக்ட். ராஜு. மேங்கோ, கரெக்ட். புக்குக்கு அனிமல் வராது. ஓகே, சோல்ஜர் வராது. Yes. Next, circle the common noun in green color and proper noun in blue color. This one you want to do, children, with the help of your parent. Okay. Gracie, fruit, yes, onion, peacock, train, ball, velour, planet, grapes. Okay, you want to do in your home. Once again, children, you can do activities in your book, but use of pencil. You can write with the use of pencil. You should not use pen. Okay. Yes, children, we can conclude this session. In this session, we have seen a poem and a noun. In noun, common and proper noun. A poem name is The Robot. Okay. My Robot. Yes. Thank you, children. I think you all understand this poem and a common noun and proper noun. Happy learning, children. Be safe in your home. Thank you.